Hello, and welcome to Fun Felt Friday. My name is Christina, and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. Today, I have a fun felt story for you about my friend Gingerbread. Let's get started. First, can you tell me how many gingerbread houses I have here on my board? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 gingerbread houses. Now, let's go over the colors. We have our red gingerbread house, our pink gingerbread house, our orange gingerbread house, our green gingerbread house, and our purple gingerbread house. Now guess what? Hiding inside one of these gingerbread houses is my friend Gingerbread, and I need you to help me find him. And the way we're going to find Gingerbread is for you to yell out, "Gingerbread, Gingerbread, are you in the?" And you shout out which color house you think Gingerbread is hiding in. You ready? Let's get started. Gingerbread, Gingerbread, are you in the? What color? Pink? Are you in the pink house, Gingerbread? Let's see. Gingerbread. No Gingerbread. All right, let's try it again. Gingerbread, Gingerbread, are you in the green? I hear green. Purple? Which color? Green or purple? Green? Okay. Let's see, is Gingerbread in here? Gingerbread. No Gingerbread. All right, let's try it again. Gingerbread, Gingerbread, are you in the, what do you think? Red, orange, or purple? Purple? Okay. Let's see, Gingerbread, are you in the purple house? Gingerbread. No Gingerbread. Oh, wow. I really hope we find Gingerbread, and I hope that Gingerbread has not run off far, far, far away. Now, what do you think? Do you think Gingerbread's in the red gingerbread house or the orange gingerbread house? Okay, let's try it. Gingerbread, Gingerbread, are you in the red? You think red? Okay. Gingerbread, Gingerbread, are you in the red house? Is Gingerbread in there? There he is! Great job, everybody! You found Gingerbread! Say hi, Gingerbread! Great job! We hope you enjoyed Fun Felt Friday. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.